For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make multiple YouTube channels with one Google account. So to do that, first, go to youtube.com and then click your profile at the top right. Next, click on the YouTube Studio button and then just click Continue. And here, go to the settings and then click the channel button. Next, go to Advanced Settings tab and scroll down until you find Manage YouTube Account and click on it. After that, click the Create a New Channel and enter your desired channel name. Just check the box here and then click Create. Here, click again to your profile and then select Switch Account. Now you can see that I have two channels, but I'm only using one Google account. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified. For suggestions and questions, comment down below. Until the next one.